Alright everyone, got my Xbox going on over here. Just fixed it from the 3 rings of death, and also added a cool little thing I found on the internet. Here's a bunch of my tools and stuff. Been working on it for a few days. This stuff, like, ridiculously horrible. Used 99%. And this also kind of helped, but make sure you finish cleaning it off with rubbing alcohol. Anyway, took a long time, got these stupid X clamps all done, and I also found a padding thing. What you do is you put it in the hard drive. Or sorry, the DVD drive. You have to open it up and stuff. And the reason why you do that, nothing. Shake the crap out of this thing. Now we all know that normally when you do this, when you barely even do, whoop, your Xbox will just and you'll get a nice good scratch on your CD. Similar to the one that I have here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some good scratch on the side. It's just all around the edge. Anyway, that happened the day I got my Xbox. I was like, that's ridiculous. And this is 3 years old, so I did it myself. Yay for voiding warranties. And I just thought I'd show it off. Again, testing out an old crappy country CD of mine. Nothing. You know that's legit.